Hello friends. In this video I will tell you some features of YesWelder MP200 multi-process welder. The YesWelder MP200 multi-process welder is a state-of-the-art welding machine designed to cater to a diverse range of welding needs. As a 5-in-1 welding solution, it encompasses gas MIG, gasless MIG, lift TIG, stick, and cutting functionalities, making it an incredibly versatile tool for both novice and experienced welders. Whether you are embarking on a DIY project at home or undertaking a professional assignment in a workshop, the YesWelder MP200 is engineered to provide the necessary versatility and efficiency required for various welding applications. The machine's gas MIG capability allows for smooth and efficient welding processes when used with shielding gas, facilitating excellent arc stability and minimal spatter. Conversely, the gasless MIG option provides the advantage of portability, enabling users to weld outdoors or in areas without compressed gas supplies. This flexibility positions the YesWelder MP200 as a compelling option for welders who require functionality without the constraints of gas availability. In addition to its MIG welding capabilities, the YesWelder MP200 features a lift TIG function, which is particularly beneficial for precision welding on thin materials and essential for applications such as stainless steel or aluminum welding. The stick welding functionality further expands its utility, allowing for robust welds in rugged environments and on an array of metals. Finally, the cutting function not only enhances the overall versatility of the welder but also streamlines the metal fabrication process by integrating cutting capabilities into the same equipment. In light of such diverse functions, the YesWelder MP200 appeals to users of varying experience levels, promising efficiency, ease of use, and professional quality results. Whether you are a beginner seeking an all-in-one machine or a seasoned professional in need of a reliable multi-process welder, the YesWelder MP200 offers the perfect blend of features and performance to meet the demands of any welding project. The YesWelder MP200 multi-process welder is designed to cater to a variety of welding needs, making it a versatile option for both professional welders and DIY enthusiasts. One of its standout specifications is the capacity to handle MIG welding using 0.9 mm, .035 solid wire for gas MIG applications. This feature ensures seamless performance in a range of welding environments, making it ideal for projects requiring precision and strength. In addition to traditional gas MIG welding capabilities, the YesWelder MP200 multi-process welder is equipped to handle 0.9 mm, .035 MIG flux wire for gasless MIG welding. This versatility allows users to engage in welding tasks without the need for external gas supplies, making the MP200 a practical choice for outdoor applications or environments where gas may not be accessible. This dual functionality enhances the welder's appeal, as it accommodates diverse welding processes with ease. Portability is another significant advantage of the YesWelder MP200. Weighing only 38 pounds, it is lightweight and easy to transport, allowing welders to take it to various job sites without hassle. Its compact design ensures it easily fits into tight workspaces, making it a convenient option for those with limited storage or workspace. The power efficiency of the YesWelder MP200 multi-process welder is noteworthy as well, operating on both 110V and 220V power sources. This feature provides flexibility, allowing users to adapt their power supply based on the available electrical infrastructure. Alongside these power options, the user-friendly interface simplifies operation, even for those who may be new to welding. The intuitive settings and display equip users to make quick adjustments, enhancing workflow and fostering confidence in their welding projects. Welding is an essential process in metal fabrication, and choosing the right technique can greatly affect the outcome of a project. Two popular methods are gas metal arc welding, GMAW, commonly referred to as gas MIG, and Flux-Core arc welding, FCAW, often called gasless MIG. Understanding their differences is key to selecting the right welding solution. Gas MIG welding employs a shielding gas, typically a mix of argon and carbon dioxide, to protect the molten weld pool from contaminants in the air. This method is known for producing cleaner welds with minimal spatter, making it ideal for applications requiring a neat appearance, such as automotive and fabrication work. One of the significant advantages of gas MIG is the visual feedback it provides. The welder can easily monitor the quality of the weld due to its unobstructed view. However, gas MIG is less effective outdoors or in windy conditions, as the shielding gas can be blown away, compromising the weld quality. On the other hand, gasless MIG welding does not require external shielding gas. Instead, it utilizes a Flux-Core wire that generates a gas shield during the welding process. This makes gasless MIG an ideal option for outdoor and windy environments, as it maintains weld integrity against external elements. Additionally, it tends to be more forgiving when working with rusted or dirty materials. However, one drawback of gasless MIG is that it typically results in a greater amount of spatter and requires more post-weld cleanup. Furthermore, the welds may not be as aesthetically pleasing when compared to those produced by gas MIG. Ultimately, the choice between gas MIG and gasless MIG welding should be based on the specific requirements of the project at hand, including location, materials, and desired weld appearance. Each method has its advantages and limitations, contributing to its effectiveness in different situations. If you want to buy this product, click on the link given in the video description. Visit our website for more information on this product. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel to get notification of new videos.